Day trading is a game that requires endurance, just like a 9-inning baseball match. Most people think they have what it takes to succeed as a trader. But here's what's shocking. 90% of would-be traders quit before they even reach the 4th inning of their journey. My name is JD. I teach struggling traders how to pass their prop firm challenge and increase their overall trading performance. I desire for you to be like Chris, who just passed a 50K challenge, and he stated that the videos that he watched right here on this YouTube channel helped him a ton. If you failed a prop firm challenge in the last 30 days, I have a free guide called Finally Funded, and there could be some tips in there to help you get over the hump and get to that first payout. So comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. Think of day trading as your personal baseball game, where every trade is a pitch you need to analyze. You're constantly looking for the perfect moment to swing for profits before the final bell. Just like baseball players study their opponents, successful traders dive into charts and patterns to spot opportunities. Risk management is your defensive strategy. 88% of traders use stop-loss orders to protect themselves from disaster. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It's just throwing pitches your way, and you need to decide which ones to swing at. But let's be honest about why this game is so addictive. It's the same reason we love watching that 9th inning comeback. The possibility of financial freedom pulls you in like a magnetic force. Every trade gives you instant feedback. Did you hit? Did you miss? That rush of adrenaline when making a winning trade feels like knocking one out the park. But unlike baseball, this game isn't just about natural talent. It's about staying in the game when others are headed for the exits. Now let's break down this 9-inning game that separates the champions from the wannabes. Inning 1 starts with you discovering day trading and feeling like you found an easy ticket to wealth. By inning 2, you've scoured the internet and collected enough bad comment trading knowledge that you feel dangerously confident. Inning 3 is probably where you paper trade, demo trade for maybe about a week or so. Then you go live, and then you blow that first account quickly. This is the moment that most would-be traders pack up their gear and leave the stadium for good. But if you stick around for inning 4, you'll take time and read some books, and you'll find out that your previous approach was very rushed and very flawed. In inning number 5, your persistence has paid off because you found a strategy that is passing your test. The middle innings are where true traders are made. Even when your strategy works, you'll face inning 6 losses that just don't make no sense. By inning 7, you're journaling your trades now, probably with an app like TradeZilla, and you're realizing that those small rule violations that you keep making are actually killing your bottom line. The psychology breakthrough happens in inning 8 when you realize a profound truth, and that truth is this: price action is reliable. If I am reliable, success is guaranteed. And then finally, we get to inning 9. You're consistently taking base hits while occasionally hitting one out of the park. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You've won the game that most people forfeit on early on in the game. It takes most professional traders 3 to 5 years to become consistently profitable. So don't rush and don't despair. Take your time, play the game, decide that you are never going to quit, you're never moving back, and then you will begin to increase on the sudden. So if you've been struggling to pass that prop firm challenge, hey, comment below, give me the guide. I'm gonna send you over Finally Funded. It is helping traders finally get over the hump, finally get to that first payout. So comment below, give me the guide. So let's do a chart analysis. Hopefully we can get a trade example too. So let's see what the market will give us. Let's roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Today is August 21st, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for us today. So we're gonna go over to the session start reading the price action, try to catch up and see what the market is gonna do today at the open. Let's check it out. So there wasn't a lot of opportunity last night. Wasn't that kind of night because I had my, we were inside of a range. And so if you're in the center of the range and the EMA is looking like a roller coaster, personally, excuse me, I do nothing. There's nothing to do until we make it to one of these extremes of the range. There's absolutely nothing to do. So, I mean, in this situation, boring night, right? Because there's nothing to do. Then we drop down. See, this is 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7. We're getting close, and now, bam, here we are to the current price action. So now at this point, we've broken out of my range. I got to get ready, y'all.
Order submitted.
Look at this wifey trade coming. Red, green, red. But we've broken out of the range right here. Breakout, pull back. This is a breakout pullback entry. Then we just came back and tested one more time. So now we broke out. We tried once. We tried twice to get back in this range. We couldn't do it. Now we're bouncing off of this key entry point. We got a wifey set up. Red, green, red. I'm just going to go ahead and get prepared. All right, so all my checks are made. We ready to rock and roll. Market still doesn't open up. Oh, you know, still got 12 minutes, man. That's the thing I hate about, you know, this time of day right before you open. If a setup is happening, I really like to wait for the open. But man, if your price action still happens regardless of the open, like whatever the price action was going to be is going to be. So at the same time, hey, if the setup is there with the right signal candle in the right place on the price chart, hey, sometimes you got to go whether it has made it to the open or not. Man, a lot of people start trading. A lot of people feel like it's safe to start trading at about 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7:30, 8 a.m. So this would be a normal setup to a lot of people right here before the market opens. So, you know, it's kind of preference. I've seen it work both ways. I've taken trades before the market opened one, after one, you know. But I'm going to need to go grab something. We'll be back. What I want to happen is our bias is short. We just need a price action setup. I want us to definitely stay under this level. Let's see what the level actually is. I mean, we want to stay under 63.9150. That's the magic level right now. So if we cannot get above 63.9150 again, I think we're going to drop. And that makes sense because we just came from 6,400. So, hey, this may be the new top for a little while. We're going to find out today. We'll find out in a few minutes. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Oh, look what's going on here. I mean, again, we got another touch. Couldn't stay up. Now, push down again. How much time we got left? Oh, this is going to be interesting at the open. This is going to be interesting. I'll be right back. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I see easy money coming on this one. I see easy money coming on this one. Let me explain why. So, you know, again, I'm saying my bias is short, man. Again, we trying to come up here and can't. This would be attempt number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually be attempt number 4. All right. So, for me to win this trade, man, all I got to do is enter and stay alive. If I put my stop above here, I'm going to stay alive for sure. But that's a hefty risk. I don't think I'm going to need to. I think when this market open, we're going to push down with such force to finally get this breakout pullback really rocking. That, man, I can grab my 4 points, no problem, shooting down. Boom. I mean, actually, if I enter at 94, man, 4 points is right here. Oh, look at there. 94, 4 points. That's 4 points today? High volume day, people. Gonna have to be careful. What you think is a 2-point stop, a 3-point stop, could be a 6, 7-point stop today. These are the days it's slightly dangerous because of that situation, but highly profitable if you hit an entry just right. I mean, you hit one just right. Whew. All right. Day just got more interesting. The day just got more interesting. This is like I want to make a push-up, first entry, push-up, second entry short. I'm trying to tell you my bias is short. Now, if we can't get back under this level, we stay above, and we get to trucking, I'm going to go long. Range fade, fail breakout. Most breakouts fail. Wouldn't shock me at all. But we going to see. Right now, my bias is short because also that was a beautiful trend down. I should have drawn it. That's a beautiful trend down. This is really just like the first trend break, like the first one. So we're expecting to retest a new low for those of us who follow the marker cycle with our brand of price action. But see, we're pushing higher, so it's a good thing we didn't take that early short before the open. We would have been trapped. I would have been mad. And again, I still got my bias is still short right now. We just barely trying to get back in this range. So I'm gonna see. Now we break higher, you know, we break higher than this double top right here, then that changes everything. But look at this. We about to drop, y'all. Watch. I call it easy money. Let's count it down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. So this is the wifey trade in reverse. Well, not in reverse. That was just a wifey trade, but stimmy. But right now we trending. I could draw a little small trend here, see what's popping. Got your little baby trend up right there. It just failed. Here we go. So now I need the high. Here's the push down. Let me get a green right here. Green. Thank you. Let's go. High, push down, lower high, off our key entry point.
Order submitted.
Let's go. I call easy money. Push.
Order canceled.
Great win. Easy money. Called easy money on that one. I'll take it. That's the trade of the day. Oh, look, it's gonna happen again. If it bounce here again off of this EMA, can't get back above that key entry point again, you can go short again. You should probably have a second leg coming. So, hey, that's the trade for today. If you've been struggling to pass your prop firm challenge, I have a free guide. It's called Finally Funded. Hey, it's free. There's probably something in there that can help you, all right? So just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. So hey, I greatly appreciate you tuning in, all right? My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.